Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add in video transitions in between clips. So add in your clips like this and just go to transitions up here and just add in the video transition that you want to add. Press OK in between the clips. You can also adjust the duration of it as well, and you can apply it to all of your videos if you want the same video transition. Like that is also going to apply kind of like a similar duration to that. So yeah, that is how you can apply video transitions on CapCut PC. Super simple. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.